the Jamaican Olive Berry, Raquel Russell. Listen, Saturday morning, we're on our way to St. Mary. So if you come from St. Mary, you're going to know and be very familiar with the terrains and the roads and the mountains. And yeah, we are on our way to, I'm not to tell you which part we are go, but it's in St. Mary and a very popular place. So sit back, relax, and just watch where I go on. Me and my girl. Yo, 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 yo!
You don't know, so this is your girl, Michipo. You don't know, aka, no wait, Francine, hey, you not mix me up, you know. But you don't know, it's all about Uno, and we are take it to Uno. Take it to them, boom blast.
So stay tuned, follow us. Don't miss a beat. Coming right at you. We're still right here in St. Mary. We're at a place called Friendship Gap. Alright, I said, them said the tastiest food then I said near, you know, right? I said, yeah, man. Yep.
So what one is for Miss Angela? We have curry goat, fried chicken, brown stew chicken, and pork.
Feature.
Yeah. So how long since the little business job about the place?
We started from last year, August.
Okay.
Last year, August.
Yes.
And what has it been like? Because I'm writing at the COVID time.
Yes.
So how has it been?
Very challenging.
Very challenging.
Yes, very challenging. And we really started out we wanted to do like sandwiches.
Okay,
Like,
sandwiches.
yeah, and finger food and that sort of thing. The people now in the community, they don't want like that sort of food. They rather
Sandwich thing.
they rather
don't want
the
that.
food.
Them love them belly. Them love them belly. Are you better? Love them belly.
So we had to sort of switch up the thing a little.
What's a good day like for you in terms of customer count? Good day.
Probably 25 or so.
25 you say?
Yeah.
People, you see right here at Kreng Kreng, she say a good day is 25. You see after that video here, we're sure so that 25 they're gonna be at 250.
Yeah.
Remember, right here is the spot to have your meals in a St. Mary. Friendship Gap. What name again?
Kreng. Because watch this now for remember say, I like how Miss Angela keep it old school.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, if you don't remember, drop a like in the comment section and tell me what you think what Kreng was. All who remember back in the days when Kreng used to be the thing.
Yeah.
Tell me what you think Kreng used to be. So Miss Angela there, nice, clean, big woman, she still good.
Yeah.
Her place well clean. You understand me? I say, someone want you to come support the thing. Run in the corner, right? I
I
said,
do puddings as well.
I should do pudding. Pudding.
Cornmeal, potato. And I do bake like carrot cake,
Oh my.
banana, bread, and that sort of thing. And I do birthday cakes.
You see right now, anyhow you're in at the parish of St. Mary, or you drive through St. Mary, or any parish you're in and you want nice banana bread, nice banana pudding, nice cornmeal pudding, nice potato pudding.
Well, banana pudding.
Banana bread.
Oh, banana bread. Why to oh Miss Angela full of talent? She put anything to anything at all. She's talented. So right now, hungry we are order with food and we want a curry goat mixed with chicken. Right, Miss Angela? So we have that. We want that. Curry goat mixed with chicken. And we want, where you want now?
Want some stew pork as the ear says she have.
The best stew pork boy.
Pork. Give me the pork. Me I watch my weight still, but not on Saturday.
We're going to order. We soon come back.
Little bit.
Like, subscribe, and share.
A few moments later.
But 2 stories now, one. You eat and the whole of your chest now. You come like you need a dribbler.
Am I running it?
I don't say nothing.
Am I close?
I don't say nothing.
So if it's style up, am I own?
Then you not go and talk.
I can get liquid soap and sort out my own. That me I make them
Liquid soap no make again.
lime love.
Woo! So then that's how one then you look how regular you drink them juice and one juice a choke and make a beer so.
Well, I can't talk it.
You know so that's why I not care you're gonna work more time you go on bigger extra you know. One liquid
choke, choke.
Oh, I know some people choke. Why you choke and go on with yourself so?
No, but anybody can choke, so we are dealing with me, sir.
No, but are you gonna drink it again? You drink it again? This coming like a joke. You there. My name make Ministry of Health come take away anything say COVID, you know. Can you go on a big and a cough and a...
No man, it going a wrong throat.
It must go in the wrong throat because to all you drink and a be strong.
I saw my mouth open up.
I saw my belt, I don't know why. Jesus. I saw my belt, anywhere I go. Choo-choo, all of it.
No! Stop it!
No,
Stop it! Stop it!